Today let's try to fix this torch. It's broken. At first I thought the battery is empty, so I got one of these charger position. But it's totally waste. After I charge the battery up, it's still not working now, so I get this voltage ohmmeter and let's test. Use the 20 volt. Has a voltage of 4.06 volt. This is a typical 18650 lithium battery. It is very popular and maybe it's used in some of the electric cars. So there's something wrong with this. The circular itself has some problems, and this is only the head of it. I think the light is only from this component. Let's try. So now I'm not going to test the voltage. Yes, I think I will put this in first. Let's see. There should be voltage. This should be the positive and negative point of the wire. No. There is no voltage here. So I think it is broken somewhere here. Because these two, I believe, is the positive and negative point of the light. So then I will test the resistance to see if the light is broken or not. If the light is not broken, there should be electricity resistance. No. This direction. Yes. There is a resistance. This is the resistance value. So it means that the light is working. The light is good. So somewhere between the power unit and the light unit, there is a brick. So the electricity cannot go from the light to the from the battery to the light. This is demonstrated. Voltage. There is no voltage. 0.3 volt. Not enough. No, I guess it's the problem with this light, but I can get it off. Get rid of it, and then I need this soldering unit. side. Okay. This is very safe, only 8 watts. And I need a longer line. This wire is not long enough. Okay, I will not use it. So 8 watt, it should be 5 volt and 2. Where's 2? I think this is okay. So press. Yes, press for 5 seconds to open. And the light is flashing. Where's the light? Okay. Green is the low temperature, blue the middle one, and red is the high temperature. I think I should use the green one. First, I need to remove these 2 wires and get the light off to see if there's any damage below it. I'll let it warm up and get some water. This should be enough. Okay. Okay. I can smell it already. It's removed. And then the red one. Okay. This is removed. Close it first and give it a clean. Okay, I think it is closed. Put it here first. Then I should be able to remove this light. So this is very simple, but it is bright. I had this torch work before. Here this light. Now I can apply a better test. So test this light. I want to test this electric resistance first. 200 ohm. This direction, no. This direction, no. There is no resistance. So maybe there is something wrong with the light. Or maybe there is something wrong with this ohmmeter. I'm not so sure. So let me test the power unit. And I mount this battery into it. This should be voltage. Let's see. Open. No voltage. The wire must be broken somewhere inside, because there is no voltage. Yes, there is no voltage here. I'm sure the torch is open. So the wire inside is broken. I didn't get any voltage here. Check. Inside is so this design is very simple. It has a spring in the middle which attaches to the positive side, and the negative side attaches with this and is connected to the body. So the body itself is the negative. So this design is very simple, but I think it's not that reliable. You can see the spring now is not in the middle. Maybe that's the reason why it's failed. So I should get something to split it a bit. Okay, I can see the problem. That's the spring. The spring is not in the middle. So it's short circuit because the spring is touching two sides of the battery. So now I put the spring in the middle, and then I put the battery in. And the voltage should be right. Let's see. Yes, 4 volt. Yes, voltage is right now. So that's the problem with the spring. The spring is fallen, so it caused a short circuit. I have to make sure that the spring is in the middle, right middle of the button. So maybe I put the spring on this. No, I should solder it on the plane. But this I cannot take this off. This is glued. It's glued on it. I think it's glued. So I cannot solder it. So I have to use the friction alone by putting it in and press it. This may explains why the torch was working and then it didn't work, because I take the battery off and then there is no force pressing the spring, so it is moving around. When I put it back again, it is in the wrong place. But there is no better way of doing this. This torch is not designed for maintenance and repair. So now, if I test the voltage, this is right. So now I should glue this back. Check which one is the positive. Is this? I think it's this direction, because yes, it's this direction, I believe. Let's go this way. This is a bit important, because if I get this wrong, I need to change direction of the yes, not so important. I just change direction of the battery, so both direction is okay. Because the negative or positive side, I can just swap the direction of the battery. It doesn't matter. So let me use the soldering machine again. It's not heated, not hot enough. Wait for the temperature to go up. Okay. Ooh, it's on, definitely on. Okay. Let me close it. I'm gonna put it here until it cools down and cut the power. Now I put back this head and the light. Now the torch is working again.